Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. But listen, before you watch the video, please, the link below, click subscribe. Trying to get my subscribers up. Give me a thumbs up. I do videos every day to try to help other mechanics and just other homeowners who are struggling with a machine, and they might need to find the solutions or the answers to the problem that they're having. So enjoy the video. Don't forget, subscribe and like. Thanks guys. All right, so right now we are about to take the bed knife bar off of a Greensmaster. This is a Toro, and this is your wider model, which you would use for the approaches or the tees, collars. So here's the machine here. All right, so basically what you want to do is on each side you're going to have this nut here. You want to loosen that one up. Come around the other side of the machine. You're going to loosen that one up. And you have this lock nut here, which this side's going to be pretty easy. You're going to turn it that way. Problem is with these, when you get over to this side, unless you have a short throw wrench, because you do not have much room right here to get a wrench in. So you're going to need a short throw wrench. But this locking nut here is a little bit difficult sometimes to get. On this one I can. So you want to free them up. Get those loose as well. And then on each side in front of the tire, you have these centric bolts here. And you got one on the other side. This one's a little bit more buried under there. Now, you can take the tires off, make it easy, more accessible. Tires just push that pin, slide them right off. Of course, put it up on its stand to take the tires off. But what you can do, you really don't even need to take the tires off. You get an extension with your socket there, and you can fit it right on there just like that and zip it out. Alright, that one's out. And same thing with the other side, but you're going to want to tilt the machine back. Okay, so now we're on the other side, and this is really hard to do with one hand here. Just put your socket on there like that. That's out. Alright, when you take these out, one thing to note is, this is very important, these plastic washers. Do not lose them. Do not forget which way they go back on. You are going to have one plastic washer here that's going to rest on the outside. Now, around on the inside, if you look, you're going to see another one. There's two more washers in there. So when this bed knife drops down, those washers are going to fall on the ground. Make sure you grab them. But it's very important that you do not lose those when you're removing that. All right, so now that we have those two side bolts out, you can see you can't still remove the knife. It's still going to be kind of tight. So, really simple. What you need to do, come around here. We're going to stand the machine back up. And we're going to take this little driver here, this striker, and we're going to tap the top of that right on this bed knife right here. And that's going to pop that right down. Give it a tap, tap. And it's already recessed down. Now we got to do the other side, and it should drop. That's all the way out. Probably need another tap on this side for that to drop down. There you go. And that's it. Just pull it right out. And as you can see, the washers are now scattered all over the ground. Just remember that two of them are going to go on one side and two are going to go on the other. Your two there. You already got two on the bolt. Hold on, let me put these on here. Just kind of group them all together. And if you're going to send these off to get sharpened, you just put the bolt right in there with it. Hopefully this helps, guys. I will see you next time.